My name is Melissa. May I offer you some assistance?
Yes, ma'am. I need to purchase a gas stove.
Okay. Is there any brand in particular you had in mind?
No, not really.
Okay. Come through, ma'am. I'm going to show you Snake. Obviously,
Okay.
Snake. Not sure if you've heard of Snake.
No, I haven't.
Okay, Snake is basically an Italian brand. It's actually really good quality. The leading gas stoves in the market.
Okay.
If I may ask, what size are you looking for, ma'am?
I have a big kitchen, so I'm not too sure about the sizes yet.
Okay, and color?
My kitchen's burgundy.
Okay. Ma'am, do you bake a lot?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I've got the perfect stove to show you. This is our range of Snake. As I said, it's an Italian brand. What's nice about Snake, it gives you an option and variety of different ranges. This in particular is gas top electric oven. I'm not sure if you had a gas oven before.
No, I haven't.
Okay, when you use a gas oven, it's very sensitive. I would recommend maybe an electric oven, gas top electric oven.
Okay.
What's unique about the Spig basically is that it's got a double fan in the oven. If you look inside the bottom, you'll see the two fans. The advantage of having a thermal fan oven is for even heat distribution. So when you're baking, you can put 2 or 3 trays in at the same time. It gets done evenly. Ma'am, you see you have a big kitchen. The stoves come in different sizes. You get a 60 centimeter, you get an 80, and then you get the 900. Is this more or less the size you're looking for?
Yes.
Okay. What's also nice about this particular stove is that it's available in 3 different colors. It comes in stainless steel, it comes in black, and it comes in vanilla. I know you mentioned something about your kitchen being burgundy.
Yes,
it is a dark color, so I would say a vanilla like this will blend in very nice in your kitchen. And what's nice about the Snake range is they offer you a whole lot of different appliances that you can put together in your kitchen. If you look, you get the freestanding fridge freezer. You can go with a 90 centimeter extractor as well, which is very nice for gas.
Yes, it is.
Okay, just going back to your stove, ma'am, it's got your solid cast iron grids on your top. So in terms of durability, it's much more durable. You get the enamel, which over a period of time, once it heats, it flakes and it starts to rust. This is solid. How you'd actually care for this is that before your first use, you can put a bit of olive oil. It actually sustains and protects your cast iron.
Okay.
Okay, and if you look at the Smeg as well, the quality of your stainless steel compared to other brands, it's a lot more solid.
Yes, it is.
Okay, having the vanilla will also be easy for you to clean because it doesn't make marks very easily. And yeah, as I said, it's a 90 centimeter. At the bottom, you've got your storage drawer. Remember, it's not a warmer drawer. With the use of your oven, it does get hot, but it's not a proper warmer drawer. It is a storage drawer.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, are you, yeah. This one is on special at the moment. As you see in your catalog now, it's advertised at 16,999, so I think it's actually good value for money. Okay, this stove comes with a 3-year guarantee. I'm going to introduce you to one of our service consultants. However, Snake is a good brand. I just need to go through the installation with you very quickly. Do you have a gas installer?
No, I haven't.
Okay, in order to have the stove installed, you need to have a qualified gas installer in order to get a compliance certificate, because we will not honor the guarantee if it's not professionally installed. I do have a guy that's by Gas Solutions. His name is Thomas, and he will be, I can actually give you his number, or I can phone him on your behalf to confirm installation. You can put it either outside or inside, it depends on the setup. But before we go any further, can I explain the extended guarantee to you?
Sure.
Okay, I'm just going to introduce you to one of our guys. Sean?
How are you doing? My name is Sean. I'm your extended warranty consultant. I believe you're interested in buying the stove? Okay, basically what our maintenance contract does is extends the life of your guarantee to 6 years. SMEC comes with a 3-year guarantee. We offer you a further 3 years, so it becomes a 6-year replacement. Basically, what happens is we take over your guarantee from day one. So should you have a problem, you simply pick up the phone and call us. We in turn book a service call at SMEG. They will send out a technician to your property. Service calls generally take minimum 24 hours, maximum 72. So once they will contact you, make an appointment, they'll come out and assess what needs to be done. If it can be repaired, they will repair on site. If it needs to be taken to the service center, they will take it away, they'll repair it and bring it back to you. It's basically covers you for most working parts of the stove, your switches, your gas burners. If there's any problem with the unit, you simply pick up the phone, call us. and we take over from there. We take away the burden of you sitting on the call with call centers, pushing it from pillar to post. We basically manage that for you. So it takes it from a 3-year to a 6-year, and it comes in at a once-off cost. Based on the price of stove,
The stove is on special at 16.
you're looking at a once-off cost of 1.7, and it effectively converts your guarantee from 3 years to 6 years.
That's nice.
I'd like to take the extended guarantee as well now. Okay, just as a matter of interest, have you purchased from us before?
No, I haven't.
You haven't. Okay. What we also offer you at Hashes is a loyalty card. Basically, with that card, it's a once-off payment of 100 Rand. That card entitles you to get 2% cash back off your purchase onto that card. Basically, loads every month, so it excludes your delivery and guarantee. So you'll get 2% cash back off the stove onto the card at the end of the month. Would you like to take the card as well? Okay, thank you. You can come to the cash desk.